Hello everyone, my name is Komang Citra Paramita Maheswari from class 2G with name 20120211189. In this video, I will discuss my final semester exam question from the Intro to Linguistics course. Okay, first question. What is meant by arbitrary? Arbitrary is defined as something that is determined by judgment or whim and not for any specific reason or rule, depending on individual discretion as of a judge and not fixed by law, autocratic, despotic, based on or determined by individual preference or confidence rather than by necessity or the intrinsic nature of something. Arbitrary also means changing, and if this is related to language, it can be concluded that each word is relative. This means that one word can have the same form, but has a different meaning when used in a particular sentence. Second question. What is the difference of phonemics and phonetics? Phonemics or phonology is the study of the distribution of sound system in human language. A phoneme is a particular set of sounds produced in a particular language and distinguishable by native speaker of that language from other sounds in that language. Phonetics, on the other hand, is simply the physiological and acoustic study of speech sound, covering all sounds used in all language, and relying only on the physical and physiological characteristics of these sounds, without regard to their systematic patterns in various languages. Third question. Please explain one of the word coinage process. For example, food porn. This word has a lexical meaning. In advertisement, TV shopping shows, blog cooking shows, or other visual media, a fascinating and spectacular visual presentation of cooking or eating food with high fat and calorie content. From its contextual meaning, food is pornographic food photography, and styling or food are usually beautifully presented in the following forms. It is important to realize that the term food pornography does not strictly deal with the historically established connection between food and sexual content. Fourth question. What do you know about syntax? In linguistics, syntax is the set of rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences in a given language. The goal of many syntacticians is to discover the syntax rule common to all language. Syntax states the rules for using words, phrases, clauses, and punctuation specifically to form sentences. Correct syntax examples include word choice, matching number and tense, and placing words and phrases in the right order. And the last question is, why do you think the knowledge of linguistics is important for you? In general, all sciences are very important to learn, but for linguistics it has important benefits, especially for people who become teachers, namely equipping teachers with the ability to analyze aspects of language like phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics that are useful in anticipating various possible obstacles faced in language learning activities. Besides that, a foreign language teacher is also a linguist or linguistic practitioner who masters both the student language and the foreign language he teaches in all its aspects. Okay everyone, that's the answer video for my final semester exam question. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.